Hello, I'm from Italy at Fiat, and today I'd like to share this new feature with you.
AI finally appeared in Excel, and thanks to Copilot, we can do a lot of things. Today, we will see how to create formulas and functions with simple questions. The first thing you do is to deactivate the Copilot to home, and the Copilot is immediately said that you need to run the Copilot to turn the list into a table. I've already done it, maybe you can check it. Then you go to the table structure and give it 1, in this case. I will name the table T-Data. Once we do, it is equally important to know that the file must reside in OneDrive or SharePoint. As Copilots, all we did was ask him this question. The first thing I want to show you is how to calculate the total discount. Simply ask him. He created a new column with the total discount. I click Send, and you'll see Excel cleverly calculate the price of a unit. So 10 times 10 100, it will subtract 10% discount. So the result is 90. Did you see he did it? He proposed to me. In the rest, he also gave me a little description. All I did was enter Poland. Look, that's it. He created. Correct my calculation. Now I'm going to ask you to do one thing, a more powerful thing, and that's what I told them to create a new column. You named a month from the command date field. Send again. Artificial intelligence takes the number of months from the date and then calculates the name of the month in Italian. Did you see he did it? All I do is input, that's all. By the way, I like to point out that it uses the last selection function instead of the semi-edit function. This thing is great and innovative. What do you think?
Do you like this video? Write it in the comments and put it in.
Like and join Al. See you at the next stop.